Hey, how's it going? It's tCheck. Before you watch this video, if you haven't seen our previous one, we highly recommend you do so. If not, no big deal. We promise this won't take long. This is part 2 of our leftover cannabis pulp series. It's been super fun to say the least, and lucky for you, we have 6 more quick and easy ways to use your leftover cannabis pulp. Now, even though these are a little different, we promise, they work like a charm. First on the list, let's talk about facial masks. Believe it or not, you can actually give yourself a moisturizing and nutrition-rich spa treatment with a touch of cannabis pulp. You can add some of your favorite herbal ingredients for a custom mask. And you may want to try a pinch of turmeric, smashed avocado, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Handmade Paper. If you happen to be the crafty type, you'll love the results you'll get when you add leftover cannabis pulp to your handmade paper recipes. Leftover pulp from alcohol infusions is usually best for this purpose. Salad dressing. Another simple and tasty way to reuse leftover cannabis pulp is to add 1 or 2 tablespoons to your favorite salad dressing. This method is useful for vinaigrette recipes. The vinegar will help pull out the remaining cannabinoids. Boosting fiber in baked goods. Extra dietary fiber is healthy for the colon and helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Adding additional fiber to whole grain bread, brownies, or cookies is a snap with leftover cannabis pulp. Supercharge your green juice or smoothie. If we're being honest here, cannabis pulp is a lot more fun than grandma's supplements for getting some extra fiber in your diet. You can throw leftover sludge from butter or oil infusions directly into your smoothies for a free nutritional boost. Enhance your pesto or tomato sauce. You can actually crush your leftover pulp right along with traditional ingredients in a mortar and pestle for a delicious and fiber-rich pesto. Alternatively, mix some pulp into your finished marinara or bolognese sauce. Just remember to grind up the pulp first in a coffee grinder or mortar and pestle to avoid unappetizing clumps. That's it for today's video. If you're in need of more information, make sure to check out our first part of this series. We wish you the best of luck. tCheck. Potency perfected.